Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to get free hair in Roblox. So this is going to be a very easy one, so let's get started. So typically when we get free hairs is from events. So if there are any upcoming events, then you might want to actually visit or participate in that event, and you will probably get your free items. So sometimes the items would include hairs. But for example, if there are no events near your place or there are no events at the moment, but you just really want to have that free hair, well, there's actually multiple ways to get that. So first thing is we want to go first to our marketplace. So let's go to our avatar here, and we want to click on get more. And from here, next thing is you want to click on the section that says heads and want to choose hair. Now in the hair section, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says low to high. So when we choose low to high, it's going to automatically show that the hairs that are actually free. So as you can see, these are the free hairs that is available right now in the marketplace. But for example, how do you actually get free hairs that are not directly from marketplace? Well, there's actually multiple ways on how to get out. So let's go to our profile here quickly, so I'll be able to show you the game that I frequently visit to actually get my hair. So here, let's go ahead and go to my games here, but you could go ahead and search this one. So the game is going to be free items game. So go ahead and visit that game. So it's by Build-A-Soar. So you want to go ahead and play this one. So let's just play this one real quickly. And from here, we should be able to get our hair. So I'm now inside the game itself. So the next thing that you need to do here is you could just basically search around this game here for items that you want to get. So as you can see right now, there's a specific section only for hair. So if you want to get a hair, like for example, we want to get the hair that's actually for this one. So next thing you want to do is you just want to click on it, and from here you just need to click on the buy for 0 Robux, which is actually free. So you'll be able to get that item. So when we go back into our profile, you should be able to see that item. So if you want to search more in this section here, like for example, for this section, if you want to do that, you could go ahead and do it and get those specific hairs. So for example, we want to get this one. Just click on it and just click on buy. Now, as you can see, I've already attached it or worn it on my character right now. And yeah, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.